I will talk about how can you set Voice ID on your Alexa app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on the sign down here. Sorry, click on the sign. So when you click here on this sign, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on your profile and family. So then here it's going to take you to this list. You click here on, so you will find here see more. Just click on it. When you find here profile information, click on see more here. It's going to show for you a list like this, scrolling down here until you will find Voice ID. Just click on it. So then you click here on agree and continue here. So then here can you use here your voice. So then here can you use your Voice ID in this list here. What they say, then it's going to add with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.